just bought this private jet, and whichever one of these 100 pilots wins this video keeps it.
For the first challenge, the pilots all split up into 3 teams.
No way I'm going home.
To be the first team to pull their 40,000-pound plane across the finish line.
3, 2, 1, go!
And whichever one of these 3 teams moves on will also have to withstand the force of these massive jet engines and win an endurance challenge so intense. We shut down an entire city for 24 hours. But first, we need to see which one of these 3 teams crosses the finish line first.
It's neck and neck! Keep going! Keep going! Almost there! It's still handling brute force in this! They're pulling ahead! They're going so fast!
You'll win until the plane crosses the finish line.
I think it's only going this.
While 2/3 of the pilots were just eliminated,
One of these pilots is winning the private jet!
these pilots are 4 challenges away from winning this $2.4 million private jet.
Welcome to game number 2, Jet Spinner! Start the engine!
Here we go. The plane is getting started. Inject the fuel, baby.
The private jet you're competing for is ramping up its thrusters to produce 60-mile-per-hour winds. The jet will then begin to rotate in a circle in an attempt to blow each of you off your platform.
Oh, this is insane. Did not come this far to go home.
I'm so scared right now.
Good luck, everybody!
Here it comes.
We have our first elimination, 1 down!
I want that jet!
No way I'm gonna let this jet take me out.
I might be myself.
Never in my life did I think being a pilot I'd be worried about a jet blast.
Bye-bye! Let's keep people! 46, hold on! He's doing it! Hold on! You did it! You're moving on! That's a great technique!
Quickly, the pilots saw what to do, and more importantly, what not to do, by watching the others go before them.
Okay, so the winning strategy is sideways, not like this. The people that are staying on are like this.
They're locked in!
Even though the pilots were picking up on the strategy, some still weren't strong enough to hold on.
Another one!
All I'm saying is if number 40 goes down, I'm going down. We broke the exact same. That wasn't nothing to me. I got it.
It's actually really ironic because
What you're competing for is literally what's eliminating you. They are dropping 1 by 1!
Oh, there goes another one!
and despite having perfect technique, this pilot, who literally played in the NFL, couldn't stay on.
But King Muscle pretty good!
I was gonna say he's a brick wall, but clearly not.
And by the end of this challenge,
You got it!
Well, never mind. That was really fast.
the jet managed to eliminate a total of 15 pilots.
Some of the hardest competitors that I was the most worried about just got away.
Congratulations to the 19 of you for moving on!
It's going to take more than this jet blasting me in the face to knock me off.
I feel bad for some of the people here, but it's got to get done.
This is the beginning of something great.
I was expecting it to just kind of blow me a little bit. It just hit me in the chest like a sail, and I couldn't catch it from there.
Let's head over to the next game!
And in this video, we took over the city of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where there are still 3 more challenges these pilots will have to compete in to win the multi-million-dollar jet.
For challenge 3, we're going 10,000 feet in the air! Follow me, pilot! I need you all to pick a captain! Samuel volunteered in the beginning. I say Samuel! Samuel is gonna pick one of you to go 1v1 against! Samuel, out of these 19 briefcases, pick a number. Number 8.
10 of these briefcases say jump, meaning you skydive and move on to the next game. The rest are elimination. Alright, Samuel is going to look inside the briefcase. And Andre is going to decide steal or no steal.
What's in the briefcase?
Jump!
You said let's jump!
Okay, Andre, steal or no steal?
You know what? I believe you! Jimmy, I'm taking the briefcase!
If it says jump, you're moving on! Let's see it!
He's moving on to the top 10. And a reminder, the next game is all the way on the ground, so you have to jump.
3, 2, 1!
which meant that the people deciding whether to steal had all the power.
It's a jump.
Enjoy your side-eye.
He told us!
It's eliminate. But listen, I really want to say.
No, I'm not taking.
Why are you guys telling the truth? And because he also refused to lie,
I'm not saying anything.
Mick gave away 2 jumps before being eliminated himself. Why would you not lie?
Pilot's got integrity.
There are 6 eliminations and 6 jumps to the next challenge left. However, Brett came up with a strategy after he watched one of our previous videos.
Since the YouTubers video, I had this plan. This is what I would do in this situation.
Do you trust this man?
I do.
It's eliminate. Promise?
You promise that in here is eliminate.
I'm gonna put my trust in you, so I'm gonna let you have it.
Oh! He got him! He got him! It turns out that in this game, lying pays off. And now that one person has lied, it's become a lot harder for the pilots to trust each other.
Says jump. No, I think you're lying to me. I'm gonna let you keep it.
Did you read Andrew? No! It says jump!
Sometimes it pays to tell the truth.
Because the remaining spots were slowly dwindling away, the pilots had to decide what is their integrity worth.
I want to be the good person in aviation and not tell lies, not rob people for their money, and I'm a person of integrity. I believe that. I would like for you to steal it. All right. Well,
This is an eliminate.
no steal.
Wait, the story works!
That doesn't sound like good integrity.
Whoa! Coleman, what are you saying there?
I'm just saying.
Let's go!
I can't believe that someone claimed to have so much integrity and it was all just a farce, and then he lied right through his teeth.
There's only 3 jumps, but 6 eliminates left. And the odds only kept getting worse.
It says jump. I'll take it.
Oh, it's a jump!
I'm not gonna steal it. No steal.
Oh my God! Bring him out of parachute, and to you gentlemen, I want to state the obvious. Only one of you is now moving on. Because out of the 6 remaining briefcases, only 1 jump remains.
What is it? I'll let you pick. All right. No steal.
Eliminate. 4 eliminations left, but only 1 jump remains. Alright, what'd you see?
It's a jump.
You're saying this is the last jump.
The last one. Okay, can I trust you? I'm telling the truth.
Steal or no steal?
No steal.
No steal. Alright. Holy crap. If Eddie's telling the truth, everyone else will be eliminated. He was telling the truth! He was telling the truth! Now that all 10 jumps have been taken, it's time to see why these contestants were jumping out of a cargo plane. That's because this next challenge is taking place in one of the most unlikely locations you'd ever find a jet, the middle of the biggest freeway of Riyadh, the biggest city of Saudi Arabia. So the entire city can watch it in real time. Gentlemen, raise a hand! Put that hand on the jet. Last one of you to take your hand off this $2 million jet keeps it. The game has officially started. If you raise your hand, you're out. You want to raise it?
Nah, yeah.
How long you last?
We'll see. I'll be the last one. As long as it takes until I pass out.
Until you pass out.
This is gonna be like hours.
Days.
Could be.
Before I decided to do this video, moving a jet through the city was logistically impossible.